Nicely played. Good strike from Virendra Sehwag. Misfield. Struck nicely. Quick outfield. Second boundary for Virendra Sehwag. It's just wide. Lucky for India, no second slip. He's blasted that, and that will disappear. But he's found the gap. Could this be Virendra Sehwag's day?
And that's a good shot.
And it allows him to see the length quickly.
Nelly took out the short extra cover. Oh, that's unfortunate. Brilliant shot. 17 runs off the over.
Catch!
No, he'll not catch that.
That's beautifully played. Look at that shot. He looks in prime touch when he gets going like that.
That's in there, and that's down the ground. Will that go all the way? Yes, it would. Oh, what a glorious shot this time.
Anything can happen. That's picked away off his leg. That'll go all the way to the boundary as well.
Down the ground, a typical Ganguly shot, and that's cleared the ropes. Down the wicket, two men converging. There's no point in converging because the ball's cleared the rope. He's hit it flat. Virendra Sehwag, but it's gone the distance, I think. Now signal the boundary. That's a biggie, and will remain a biggie. Good hit. The shot was always on.
Opens up the shoulders. That would have been a spectacular catch. Good shot. Really capitalizing now on these power plays. But it's been tough. They suffered against Sri Lanka.
Again, good use of the feet, and that's gone down for 4.
As it comes.
It's nicely played through the offside. Will go down to the boundary. That's wonderfully struck. Oh, that was really a Dhoni special. Just got to the pitch of it. Good shot. We'll get there. And again, this is flatter. There is a man in the deep, but it's just cleared him. Straight down the ground this time. What an over. Gives himself a little bit of room, the little master. Well, could be 11 off the over. It's in the air, mid-off, long off, can't get it. And again this time, he's got the elevation and the distance is a lot longer. And again, mid-wicket has taken a stunner, but he has gone over the ropes. Just clear the man at short mid-wicket. Couple of bounces. He's getting consistent with this. Long on will be a mere spectator. It's unbelievable. Besides the shot delivery, but Yuvraj does extremely well. Now it's Tendulkar now.
Big shot. That's nearly on the 3rd tier.
Good shot, excellent shot. He's gone for fine leg. And what a way to reach 400. He's decided to go for the big one. And he does sign off in very good style. Sixer to finish the 50th over. 413 India.